we've had here last night, everything took a pretty decent push down for sure. Bitcoin ended up doing an ABC. All right, we had a target for that at 93.3. It ended up pulling down to 91. All right, so maybe the news had a little bit to do with pullbacks. Kind of some fundamentals in there also, right? I mean, uh, Chainlink, I pulled its chart up, and it basically pulled back to a retest of a breakout. All right, so maybe the news had something to do with some of the pullbacks. Look, you can see where Turbo pulled right back down to these lows, right back through here. All right, and every time it has come down here, which it has two other times, we've had nice runs back up here for sure. All right, let me see if I have it on this chart. The mechanical learning. It's like a AI system that tells you when to buy and when to sell. All right, it's pretty cool. Right here, it was wrong, but over here it has a 70% win rate on this chart. It had 24 trades. What it have 17 wins and 7 losses. Win-loss ratio 2.43. Early signal flips 2. So 70% win rate, not too bad. Lorenzian classification thing. I've been checking this out lately. It's nailed some decent ones. It called for a short here, beautiful short down through there. Called for a long here, ran right up. Called for a long over here, a decent run. Called for a short here, a long over here. Nailed that one, right? I mean, long right here, right at the runs up. Yeah, it's nailed some pretty decent ones. Short, long, yeah. Not too bad, right? You got to wait for the signal on this to go. Did not get one down here on the 12-hour. Let's see if it got one on the daily. No buy signal here on here. All right, on the daily, it's taken 14 wins, 71.4% win rate, 10 wins, 4 losses. If you go out on a weekly, it hasn't taken any trades on the weekly. All right, and we're going to go on the smaller time frames here, not for that, just to see where this thing's heading. It called for a short over here, right there. All right, okay, we got that, nailed that, right? Not too bad. So I've been messing around with this thing, checking it out. In a 4-hour, it's had 60 trades. 43 wins, 17 losses. It's a 71.7% win rate. So it's like AI learning. Okay. I thought I'd pass it on to you guys. I thought it was pretty cool because we do a lot of longing and shorting over in Discord. I think we've won like 8 out of our last 10 or something. Done pretty well. Most of them were shorts. Now we flipped to. They had quite a few winners and longs today. I put an Aave trade out. Last one was a Pepe long I put out over there. So if you want to join us in Discord, man, it's only $15. All right, we have an alt season coming up. If you want to make money, if you can't make $15 over there, make your money back in one trade, then it probably can't help you. But we do pretty well. Like I said, we have some really good traders in there. We had Mr. Gray did a 5.5x. I think it was on XRP today. Yeah, we got some really good guys over there. So that's $15. That's a level 3 membership. Try it out per month. You'll go spend $15 on a couple candy bars and a bag of chips. You get plus you get over 20 hours of videos to teach how to start charting. All right, how to use the Fibonacci, how to use all these tools on the left, how to set up your trading view, everything. Over 20 videos in there. So you get your $15 worth, guys. Try it. I guarantee you'll learn something. All right, you'll learn a lot, especially if you're new to trading. Right, and I also put this in. It's new because I don't get the views that I really. I have 6,000 subs, but it's Buy Me a Coffee. There's a link in the description of the video. You can put $1 in there, whatever. If you like what I do, please, if you don't get a membership, any kind of support definitely helps the channel out. Crypto bubbles. For the day, look what's up for the day. Fart coin. Who would have ever guessed, right? Probably a couple college kids sitting in their room. Let's make a crypto called Fart coin, and it's unbelievable. It's up 45.7% today. We took a short on that the other day. That was a money maker, man. Look at the market cap, $852 million. $852 million. We took a short on Trump. That's up to 3.9, ranked 33rd. Took a short on Solana. We took a short on Popcat. We absolutely been nailing them. Fartcoin, I like trading that. Man, I go pretty high on my leverage. I try to get very good entries, so the money can rack up fast if you get a good entry and high leverage. I'm not recommending that if you're not very good with your entries or new to trading. If you come over there to the Discord, go super, super low, guys. 5x, 2x, go low, all right? Learn. You don't need to go over there and hit 100x. You'll wipe out your account in no time. If you have $100 in there, you'll go to zero in 10 minutes, all right? Do not do 100x's. Do not do 50x's until you learn and get it down, okay? The reason I go so high is because I don't need as big a move to make a pile of money. All right, I love it. I'm addicted to it. It's an addiction to me. I love looking at charts and I love trading. I absolutely love it. All right, over here on Turbo, one place I would be looking for first is to retracement levels. Okay, 618702. We bounced off the lows down here. That should be the low. I'd be looking for a bounce back up into this area first. All right, that would be my first targets, right up into this box. Let's slide this over because it might not go the whole way over there. All right, but that would be my first target area to watch for, up to well, we can't see the prices, can we? Let's just pull this over so we can see the prices on this. We're going from, if you're not familiar with charts, all right, we're going from this high right here before the move down. All right, that's where the beginning of this should be, but I moved it over here so you could see the prices. All right, it should be up into this 49611 to 52568. That should be our first target area. Hopefully looking for, if we went on a smaller time frame, 5 waves up. The market moves up in waves. All right, it can go straight up and straight down. But things that go straight up come straight back down. You got to go in steps, okay? You got to build support as you go up. If you don't, you have nothing when you fall back down, right? So you come up, you come back, you pull back, you go up a little next time higher, and you come back. You do that again, I apologize. Double click there too fast. But just like over here, all right? You come up, you have your retracement. You come up, you have your retracement. You come up, all right? You have your retracement. Here you'll have an ABC come in there, okay? But you come up in steps. You build support, all right? And also resistance on your way down. It goes the opposite way the way down, Okay, you make if this was headed down, you'd make a new low. You come back and retest that, and you make another low, and you come back and retest that the whole way down, just like that, okay? That's how it goes. You don't go straight up. Looks like it's doing 5 waves here. You got 1, 2, 3. This is probably going to come up a little higher. 4, and then a 5th wave up into here. All right, that should be, that's what I would be looking for the first move up. Then you'll have an ABC. And then hopefully this is all just a wave 1, okay, of a bigger move coming in here, okay, towards the upside. I really think that's what's going on here, because all the relative strength indexes on everything are pretty much reset. If we come out here on a daily, and look at the relative strength index. Look at it. It's on the bottom. Looks absolutely perfect. The weekly on the bottom looks great. That's where you want to be, all right, for this next set of moves to the upside. Let's get the Fibonacci up there so we can see that chart a little bit more. All right, so we can start getting up into these levels, up into here. All right, but we got to make that first move first. The daily and the weekly look good. I don't know if we have a monthly yet. No, not really. Okay, but the two big ones, the daily and the weekly, are at the bottom. I'm ready to go. Okay, when your relative strength index is down here, you're oversold. The market is reset, and you're ready to head back to the upside. All right, so watching for turbo to make this first set of moves up. Let me show you that again, this price area. And please hit that like and subscribe, guys. Try the level 3 out. You won't regret it. If you don't, I would love it if buy me a coffee, support the channel. Definitely helps out a lot. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.